In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to apply coupon code in Indigo. We'll start right at the source. Open the Indigo website in your browser or launch the Indigo app on your phone. The interface is nearly the same in both places, so choose whichever you prefer. Everything we do next works on either platform. On the home screen, begin your search. Enter your departure city in the From field and your destination in the To field. Pick your travel dates and set the number of passengers traveling. Take a moment to make sure the airports and dates are correct, then hit search to see the available options. From the results, choose the flight that best fits your schedule and budget. Look at the timing, the total fare, and any fare notes that matter to you. When you're ready, select the flight and click Continue or Book to move forward. Next, fill in the traveler information exactly as it appears on your identification. Accuracy here helps avoid check-in issues later. Add any required contact details so you can receive updates. You may see offers for seats, meals, or other add-ons. These are optional. Continue through the prompts until you proceed to the payment page. On the payment page, pause before you pay and review the fare summary. This is where you'll apply your discount. Look for a field labeled promo code, voucher, or discount code. It's often near the price breakdown or above the payment methods. Click into that box and type or paste your coupon code carefully. Make sure there are no extra spaces and that any letters match exactly as given. Now click Apply. Watch the fare summary update right away. If the code is valid for your route, dates, and fare type, the discount will reflect instantly in the total. If you don't see a change, double-check the code's terms, including validity dates, minimum fare, eligible sectors, and any limits like one code per booking or a maximum discount. Correct any typos and try again. With the discount applied and the updated total confirmed, choose your preferred payment method and complete the payment securely. Stay on the page until you see the booking confirmation screen. You'll also receive a confirmation from Indigo with your itinerary details shortly after. That's it. Open Indigo, search your flight, select your option, enter passenger details, head to the payment page, apply your promo code, and then complete the payment to lock in your savings. Remember, the key is applying the code before you pay, so the discount is included in your final fare. Safe travels and happy savings.